Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm filming this little makeup look here and it is only drugstore. Woo! I've been meaning to film this video for ages, so here it is. I finally did it. Look, there's a few ups and downs. You'll find out on the road with me on the way. But yeah, I liked how the look turned out. There's just a few things that I wish were different, but I guess you'll find that out. But yeah, keep on watching this video if you want to see how to get this look and see me being a weirdy weirdo. But yeah, let's just get straight into it. So I've got all my drugstore products that I thought I would use in this video. I actually have a lot more than I thought I did, but I guess it's because I work at Priceline. Like, every single cosmetic sale we have, I spend over $100, and then every now and then I buy stuff, but I actually don't buy that much cosmetics there, but I kind of do at the same time. But anyways, I'm gonna start off with my brows. I'm actually like terrified because I've got a pomade. It's like $5 on the 50% off cosmetic sale. Yeah. And I was like, you know what? Yeah, I'll get it just like for this video, even though that was ages ago. But I am generally terrified of how it's going to go because it was $5. And I've been using like my Anastasia brow products for like 2 years now. Like, not even a joke. Like, I think I've been using the pomade since the start of 2017, and I've had my brow like powders since the end of 2017, and it's like pretty much the middle of 2019. What the hell? Anyways, I've got the Models Prefer pomade in medium to dark because they have like, I think they have light to medium, medium to dark, but it's very warm. A little bit terrified, as you can see. I did a little bit of a swatch so it looks a bit more cool in the middle, but it's a kind of like an oily product, I feel. So, I mean, let's see how it goes. A bit terrified though, but if it's like if it's good, then like I can wear my cheap one like every day. But yeah, let's try and do this. It is pigmented, but how is it gonna like blend out? That is my question. It's very warm. Okay, what to say? It's pretty pigmented. Like, for $5, it is very pigmented. It's hard to like blend out. Like, as you could see, I was doing like, I'm trying to get that product in there to add some color in there, and it literally did like nothing, which is like okay, but not at the same time. Like, I feel like they're very like natural-ish kind of, I don't know, but they're very warm as well. So if they had them in like more of a range and had like warm tones and cool tones, I reckon I would actually get it. Like, it would just take me a while to get used to like the formula and like figure out the best way to use it. I did a lot more of a better job on my second side. But yeah, it was alright first impression. Like, I mean, I want to throw up because they're so warm. They kind of look like they're just like tinted, and I don't know. I'm just so used to like doing my makeup and having more defined brows. But yeah, I might play with them a little bit and I'll be right back. But yeah. Let's carve them out. So I have a few drugstore concealers just because they're a lot more cheaper and I wear them to work. So I have 3 ones. I'm not 100% what one I'm going to use. So I've got my Maybelline Fit Me, my Rimmel Wake Me Up, and my L'Oreal True Match. Is that it? Perfect Match? True Match. Yeah. I reckon I'm going to use my Fit Me concealer just to carve out my brows and put some concealer on my lid. Just because I feel like that's going to be the best colour. So this one's in 10 Light Lager. Is that it? Okay, so I've just carved out my brows and put some concealer on my eyelids, and I just set it with the Rimmel Match Perfection Translucent Powder. My brows look a little bit better, but they're still very warm compared to my hair, which is whatever. I'm going to put some gel in my eyebrows. I'm going to be using the L'Oreal Brow Artist Plumper. I use this literally every day, and I've got this since the sale and it's still got so much in it. See, the brows look so much better now. So thankful. Okay, now we're gonna do some eyeshadow. I bought 2 palettes like for this, specifically for this video. Neutralize Nude Eyeshadow Palette, which is just this one here. Oh, if I can open up. There we go. So I've touched a few of them, my nail scratched in there. I've only really used like this shade and that shade, and I think I've like dabbed in that one, but yeah. And then I also got the Kaleidoscope. Is that how you say it? Yeah. It's another Australis palette and it's a colourful one. There we go. That's that one there. I think I've literally swatched that one and that one. I have no idea what I'm going to do today. So the only thing about the like Australis palettes that I don't like is they all have shimmer in them. Like they're not a straight like matte colour. I don't know if you can tell. But they all have like that sheen of sparkle to them. Even though it says on here, this palette includes 20 highly pigmented shadows with a mix of mattes and pressed metallic shimmers. But they all have like a shimmer to them, like they're not a straight matte. I'll work with it. And it's the same with this one as well. Like they all have like a little bit of shimmer in it. Like obviously these ones stand out heaps, like the metallic shades, but even the matte shades have like the shimmer to it. I have no idea what I'm gonna actually do. But yeah, I guess we'll start off with the Neutralize palette. I'll go into this shade here, which says it is Hazelnut, that one. Don't mind my hair as well, it's literally like all over the place. So there's Hazelnut there. It's just a nice, you know, everyday kind of shade, nothing wrong with it, you know, it's just a nice shade. I might get this shade right here, and that is called Peanut Brittle, and I'm gonna pop that right under this shade here. As so, and then I'll get the brush I was using before, and with like the leftover product I might just literally put it in a little bit and blend around the edges. Okay, yep, do that on the other side now. I might go into this brown, which is Fudge. That on the lid. Ooh. And add a half. And then I'm going to get that brush that I use for the Peanut Brittle. Get a little bit and just start blending the edges ever so slightly. This is looking fucking shit. I feel like they all kind of blend into one colour and I don't like that at all. Okay. I reckon that's like the best I'm gonna get from like these colours. They blend nicely like around the edges and everything, but they just like end up being one colour, kind of, if you get what I mean. I'm gonna just use the same Maybelline concealer. I'm gonna cut the crease, like for a half cut crease. Done that, and I'm gonna go into the like colourful one, so the Kaleidoscope palette. If I can open it again.
Oh, smash!
I'm gonna pop this purple on. Pretty pigmented. The concealer helps as well, but I reckon it's pretty good. This eyeshadow is fucking rank. It just all blends into one colour and I'm actually sick of it. I tried, I'm telling you, I actually fucking tried. I genuinely tried. Anyways, let's blend the two colours together. Am I gonna post this video? I don't know. I'm gonna put on some lashes. So I have the Ardell Glamour ones. I wore them the other day to work, so I'll go quickly pop those on and then I'll be right back. Okay guys, so I'm back with the lashes on. The blending looks so much better in like better lighting. I don't know if you can see, but it's not that bad. Like there, it won't blend out there, but it has on that side. Yeah, it's just like blending into one color, which I don't like. I'm genuinely sorry for all of the lighting changes. Yeah, it just like blends into one color and I'm just not here for that, you know? But anyways, I'm just gonna pop some mascara on these lashes. So I've got the CoverGirl Lash Blast Fusion. This is like one of my faves. Anyways, I'm gonna go on with my face. It's actually so cold. I have my pajama pants on right now and my Ugg boots. Like, it is freezing. It's so cold in my room. Because there's a hole in my roof. It's only little, but it makes it very cold. Going to use the Bourjois Healthy Mix Glow Primer in Rose little like tears. I don't even know what I'm going to use for my face. So I've got like a Bourjois one, I've got Maybelline 24 Hour, I've got my BB cream, I've got this one as well, and that's it. This one's an ivory and it just like oxidizes a shit ton. I think I'm going to go on with the one that I bought like for this video. So it's the Revlon Color Stay Full Cover Foundation. It's matte and it's in 150 bucks. I'll pop this on and see how it goes. I might just use this shade. Oh well, if I'm gonna be orange, I'm gonna be orange. I'm gonna do for now, and I'm gonna mix the L'Oreal one and my Maybelline one just because it's gonna be way too light. Like, look, just like, ooh, so it can be like a nice shade. And I'm gonna pop this one by itself just on my like pimpies. We're using the Rimmel Match Perfection concealer, well not concealer, powder to set under my eyes. And I'm going to use Australia's Fresh and Flawless powder, natural. This looks so bad, yeah. Okay, so I'm going to just quickly do my under eyes. I'll just do that brown. And then I have a few different liners. Let's see what the blue looks in one eye and the green in the other. Oh, these are the NYX retractable liners, golden olive, and this one is aqua. I reckon green it is, honestly. So that's the green there. I literally feel like Hulk because like green and purple, Hulk smash. Yeah. I'll just do my bottom lashes quickly with the same mascara. I've got a little dot of mascara there. I'll take that off later. So that's right now. Now I'm going to use this L'Oreal. I don't know how to pronounce it. I'm not even going to try. I'm just going to do that to bronze up my cheeks. So now I'm going to use this NYX blush in Amber. That's it there. And I'm going to contour a little bit with the Bahama Mama bronzer by The Balm. Contoured in ages, so if it's shit, then it's shit. So I think I'm just like overdoing my face because my eyes are so bad. Now I'm going to just quickly clean up under here. It's not that bad, but I just want to be more chiseled, you know, with the same translucent powder. Go like that. Go from like literally the top of my ear. It's right here. And down. Woo! Yeah! And now I'll do a little bit of highlight. So I've got this, what is it, Master Chrome Maybelline Metallic Highlighter in Rose Gold. Not feeling it today, not feeling it at all. Okay, I'm going to use one of the Nadio ones. So this is in Eden. I'll put it on and see how it goes. I'm gonna get one of the lighter shades. I just had a little look and I can't actually find them anywhere, but that's great. But I do have a ColourPop one that I can pop in the middle. I'm gonna pop this ColourPop one in the middle just to make it a little bit more nude, so it's Times Square. But yeah guys, this is the final look, so I just put on a beanie because it's actually freezing. Yeah, I just can't be bothered doing my hair as well. But yeah, I was meant to film this look ages ago. Like a drugstore only makeup tutorial. Let's actually have a little look of when I was meant to film it. I was meant to film this look like 2 months ago, which is just like crazy to think that it's taken me this long to actually film it. But like I've had a few hit and misses. My eyebrows don't look that warm anymore. I guess like the eyebrow gel really saved it, which I'm happy with, but they're not the best eyebrows I've done. The eyeshadow, they just all blend into one color. Like I might have to give it a few tries, but they blend out okay. Like it's not that bad. It's a really good palette if you're just starting out and like wanting to get into makeup. But yeah, everything else I've actually like used before, so there's like I don't have anything more to say. I wish I could find that other lipstick. The Nadio ones are so good, like actually amazing. Yeah, I don't really know what else I want to say. If you liked this video today, don't forget to give it a massive thumbs up and subscribe if you're new. I post these kind of videos and I post some other random ones. My last video was a cooking with me. Check that out if you want to have a bit of a laugh. I'm a bit embarrassing, but that's okay. I might leave the link down below. But yeah, I hope you have a lovely day and I'll see you next time. Bye guys. I think I'm done. Yeah.